Hi there and welcome to the course. My name is Jacqueline Seidel and I am your guide through this course on designing and delivering effective training programs. And as you'd know from seeing the promo video and also reading the course description, this is a course for instructional designers and corporate trainers, or those who have been tasked with delivering training programs in the workplace. So my job is to help guide you through that process so you're designing and delivering some fantastic on-point training programs. So I'm really looking forward to working with you. I'd really encourage you just to take a moment to send me a message and tell me who you are and what training you've been tasked with delivering. When we share these ideas, I hope that there's some material I can help you with. If you've got some problems, maybe I can propose some solutions. But although you're there and I'm here, we can really get a dialogue going and work really closely together because I am here for you. So don't hold back. So I guess you're probably needing to know a little bit about me so you can trust me to guide you on this path. I'll give you a couple of background bits and bobs from me and then we'll get cracking with the course. Now, who am I? Well, I have a background in marketing and policy development, so quite diverse, and this is from working in local government in Melbourne, Australia. 2006 saw me moving here to Germany, and through a series of, strange circumstances, I ended up working at a language school. And I quickly became qualified as an English language trainer, and soon after I did a qualification, I undertook a qualification in designing effective training programs. And this was from the Australian Institute of Management based in Canberra, Australia. What fascinates me about adult training, whether it be language training or whether it be delivering workplace health and safety training or how to operate machines effectively or time management or so on, I love thinking about who my course participants are, what their learning goals are, and how I can best meet those learning needs. It's fascinating, it's a challenge, every day's different. Maybe you feel the same way. But there are some principles that when we learn them and when we apply them, it makes our jobs as instructional designers, as trainers, so much easier. It really helps us weave through sometimes complex issues, complex problems, to deliver fantastic courses, to give the best outcomes for our course participants. That's my goal for us together, for us to be able to weave through, to understand, to apply different theories, and at the end, be amazing trainers. So, what I've prepared for you here, it's under the Australian framework for designing and delivering effective training programs. And for me, it's a magnificent framework. It could be in your background, in your country, you might have frameworks which are slightly different, but I think we can agree that the basic framework globally can be applied. So just so you know, I'm using the Australian framework, but it works equally well across the globe. In this course, you've also got access not only to our video lectures, but to downloadable resources. So these are templates that you can use in designing your training programs or working with me through the course. There are some which are filled in and some which are blank, and you can adapt those to your needs. Well, my goal here has been to give you really a comprehensive course on instructional design, on designing corporate training programs, and I look forward to working with you. Are you ready to get cracking on that first lecture? Me too. So I will see you in a moment, and I look forward, as I said earlier, to working with you. See you in a minute. Bye-bye.